When I consider how our industry has developed over the past 30 years, I personally have been working in the chemical industry for 28 years now. We've undergone a technological transformation that's truly colossal. At Covestro, it's people that take center stage. If we want to change processes, implement new systems, and get digitalization to the people, that's not possible without people. The motivation for the project was that we were asked by IT whether there wasn't a global tool for doing digital shift handovers. These shift handovers are traditionally a neuralgic issue in round-the-clock shift operations. We then looked to see how the plants did their handovers. We found various different systems in the plants, like Excel tables and ordinary books, but also programs people had written themselves. So what we needed was completely clear, a system that could be used for all plants worldwide. The technical requirements were for a web-based system that could be operated from different places and with an SAP interface available. In the past, I always had to collect my information before the end of the shift, either by phone or from handwritten notes. Today, the shift commander or any other employee writes a message in Shiftconnector. You can see what truly important things have happened in the past few weeks. For example, the topics of early morning meetings. One of the advantages of Shiftconnector from my point of view is that you can retrieve information very quickly from a central location, whether it's on the subject of occupational safety or production efficiency. You can operate it all intuitively within a relatively short time. When users see that their requirements are visualized in the system and that it is easy to operate, they feel instantly at ease and can find the information they need with just a click of the mouse. It's now much more structured because you can go through the areas individually. In the past, that wasn't possible. With this new software, it's simply child's play. I think with all these changes, it's important that the work of our employees and our production facilities will become easier and better with these automation and digitalization projects. Shiftconnector plays a decisive role in the area of production. We've changed around 30 plants over to Shiftconnector in all regions of the world, in Baytown, USA, and in Shanghai, China, so large sites, and also in North Rhine-Westphalia. This means that by the end of the year, we'll have equipped almost all of our facilities with Shiftconnector. What I liked about Eschbach right from the start was their extreme flexibility. Their speed made for a super working relationship. Last year, Shiftconnector won the Innovation Award in the area of business processes. The solution was very convincing. We have a tool with which we can raise quality, but also with which we can raise efficiency, and therefore with which we can further improve safety as a whole in our plants. That's why Shiftconnector is for Covestro globally.